In this lecture, we are going to explain how to create 2D layout views from 3D drawing. For this chapter, I will be using this geometry as example. Now go to Layer 1 tab. Here we have temporary view, but which was created from our drawing. As of now, we don't need this. Let's erase it. We need to correct some setting in our layout sheet. Before we correct the sheet size, I would like to change the background color. For that, type OP at command prompt and press enter. Layout setting window pops up. In all these tabs, we are only interested in display tab. Click it and go to color. So in this context, select layout and uniform background in this window. The sheet color or display color you can choose from here. In this case, I want white color. Then apply and close. Now we have this plain sheet. Next step is to correct the sheet size. For that, right click Layer 1 and choose Page Setup Manager. In this window, choose Layout 1 and click Modify. In this setup, we have plotter name. In that we have options. Let's just give DWG to PDF file. Come to next option, which is paper size. So the sizes differ. We have A2 sheet, A3, A4 or A5. We will choose ISO A4 standard sheet in this case. I'm going to specify the size, which is 297 by 210. That means horizontal 297 and vertical 210. The moment you choose the size, a preview will be shown right here. Then we have layouts. This part is important when you want to print out and we don't have drawing to print, so we'll leave it. Then press OK and close it. Now the paper is set. Our next step will be creating layout. For that, go to Layout Temporary tab. This tab will only be available as long as you are in Layout View. Now go to Base View from Creating View panel and select first option, which is Model Space. It will appear in a moment. Now we have this drawing. Click anywhere on the screen. One of the primary view will be created in this way. Press enter and notice that your cursor will follow all the remaining views. Whenever you move the side of the drawing, the corresponding views will be created depending upon the angle of projection which you have selected. So let's click at this point and let's click here, and also let's click this point for isometric view. One more for isometric view here. When done, press enter. As you can see, we have all these views. First of all, before we do anything else, let's arrange our drawing. Click this and move. Notice that the drawing is moving according to the base view. Right now, I'm able to move this view towards right or left only on horizontal direction. Even if I take my cursor upwards or downward, you notice that my view will remain oriented in the proper alignment of the base view. Similarly, for this view also, if I try to move right or left, it will not move but can be moved up or downward direction, keeping aligned with the base view. But if you want to break this alignment, you can do so for every view. For example, Let's say we want to break the alignment for this view. For that, type MO at command prompt and press enter. Now from this property panel we have view alignment. Select it and click this drop down. Choose broken and close it. Now you will be able to move freely in any direction. And if you want to check whether we have first angle view or third angle projection, then right click in this layout and select drafting standard setup. Here you will see that our drawing is in first angle projection. So before making your drawing, make sure that you select any of these two angles of projection. I'm not going to change because it will make our drawing very confusing. So these are the projections. These views can be wireframe vision style, but generally the isometric view needs to be in shaded style. So we need to change to shaded view. For that, select the view and click this edit view button. Now here we have these hidden lines. Click the drop down and choose shaded with visible lines and press OK to accept the changes. Similarly, select this view and edit it, then choose the last option and press OK. This view shows the geometry lines which are hidden. This is how to change the view style individually. So this was all about creating 2D layout from 3D drawing in AutoCAD.